Hey guys, RJ here and welcome to another video. And today we've got huge news straight from the official dev team. Changes are coming that will shape the future of One Piece card game starting April 1, 2026. Let's go. The One Piece card game dev team just released an article regarding the Black Icon system update and the new formats that they will be introducing starting April 1, 2026. So let's break it down. Why the big change? So according to the developers, they want the game to remain fun, strategic, and fresh for years to come. That's why starting April 2026, the One Piece card game will introduce a new competitive format with two new regulations: standard regulation and extra regulation. So standard regulation focus on a regularly updated card pool with a more balanced and dynamic metagame, which was already explained in the Black Icon system. Extra regulation is a fun free-form mode where you can use all of your favorite cards from the past without any restriction. So if you are from other card games, this is the standard and eternal format introduced to One Piece card game. They also mentioned that the standard format will be used for big tournaments moving forward, but Eternal format tournaments might also be adopted in the future. Now let's talk about the big one, the black icon. So we have already established that black icons will be used to identify which cards are legal in standard regulation, including official tournaments and championships. So it became a huge issue in the community when reports of cards in the upcoming PRB02 that will be released a few days from now have black icon 1. PRB was supposed to be a product that's aimed at expanding the deck building and was supposed to be the bridge for the new standard regulation environment starting in April 2026. That's why people are surprised that cards in the set that was supposed to be the bridge will not be standard legal. And with enough noise from the community, the dev team is officially saying that the cards with Black Icon 1 from the set will be treated as a Black Icon 4 and will be valid in the new standard regulation starting April 2026. Now let's take a look at those cards. And now the good news for high rarity players. All super parallel rare cards, or what we call the mangas from previous set, and any cards with the same card number will still be usable in standard regulation even if they are not reprinted. So any variation of the manga cards will have immunity from rotation, and I think this is a good move to protect the value of those cards. Also, in the future manga cards, they'll come with the new black icon, and just like the past ones, they'll be legal by default. And they even have a full list of the current manga cards here. They have also released a list of cards that they will be adjusting the black icon, and this includes OP01 Killer, the green blocker, OP01 Be My Samurai, OP02 Curly Dadan, OP02 Rain of Rubber, I think this is the Gum Gum Rain, the blue zero cost, OP03 Buggy, OP03 Kaya, OP03 Najiko, OP03 Gate Gunslam, I think this is the Jet Gatling, the purple zero cost, OP03 Six Kings gun. I think this is the Six Kings pistol, the black zero cost. OP04 Retrograde Kick Course or the Bad Manners Kick Course. This is the red zero cost. OP04 Ideo, OP04 Corrida Coliseum, ST01 Brook, ST02 Jewelry Bonnie, and ST06 Hina. What do you think about the rotation? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, this is RJ and thank you for watching. I hope to see you into the next one. Peace out.